Bonjour, je m'appelle Lakshmi. Welcome back to my channel Learn French with Lakshmi. Our today's topic is the verbs. Les verbs. There are three types of verbs in French. Three groups of verbs in French. First is ER ending verbs. ER ending. This is the first group of verbs. Number two, IR ending verb. IR ending. And number three, RE ending. So there are three groups of verbs in French: ER ending verbs, IR ending verbs and RE ending verbs. Today we are going to learn the first group of verb, which is ER ending. The first group of verbs, ER ending verbs. ER ending verbs. These verbs, ER ending verbs are, all the ER ending verbs are conjugated in the same way. All the ER ending words are conjugated in the same way. That means from the verb we should remove ER first and then add E, ES, and ONS, EZ and ENT. That means first group of verbs are ER ending verbs. In order to conjugate an ER ending verb, we have to remove this ER first and we should add E, ES, ONS, EZ, ENT according to the subject pronoun with the verb goes. So let's learn with an example. First verb is parle. P-A-R-L-E-R. Parle. Pronounced as parle. That means to speak. To speak. Parle means to speak. Let's see how we conjugate this verb. This is an ER ending verb. First, we should remove this ER. So, first we have to write the subject pronouns. Which are the subject pronouns? Subject pronouns are words which we use in place of nouns. First, we have to write that. Je, that means I. Tu, il, elle. Nous, vous, il, elle. What is the meaning? Je means I, tu, you, il and elle, he and she. Nous, we, do, you, il, elle, they. So how can we conjugate? I speak. Parle means to speak. So how will you conjugate this parle with je, the subject pronoun je? Let's see. First is what? We have to remove this ER, right? P-A-R-L. That means we have removed this ER. So it is now parle, P-A-R-L. For the first form, we have to add E. So that means je parle. That means I speak. With you also do the same. First we have to remove ER and add P-A-R-L. Then add ES. Parle. Pronounced in the same way. Parle. And then again we have to write P-A-R-L. Removing ER and write P-A-R-L. Then you have to add E again. Here also same. P-A-R-L, remove ER and add E. So this is the forms of je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle. That means I speak, you speak, he speaks, she speaks. And now we speak. What we have to do? First write P-A-R-L. That means we have to remove this ER and write parl. Then the word here is O-N-S. O-N-S. No parlo. Then next again P-A-R-L and we have to add E-L. E-Z. That means go parle. And E-N-T next. P-A-R-L-E-N-T. P-A-R-L-E-N-T. So we have to, for conjugating an ER ending verb, first we have to remove ER and add E, E-S, E, E, O-N-S, E-Z, E-N-T, E-N-T. This is the basic form for conjugating an ER ending verb. All the ER ending verbs are conjugated like this only. The first verb we have conjugated is parle. Parle means to speak. Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. Here also the pronunciation is parle only, but we have to write parle. ENT we have put here, but we don't pronounce it. So clear? Let's see another example. Now another example is aiming. A-I-M-E-R. E-R ending verb. Aiming means to love. To love. First you have to write the subject pronoun. Always you have to write the subject pronouns first. Je, tu, il, elle. No, vous, il, elle. Here first we have to remove this ER and add A-I-M. That means we have removed this ER part of the verb aiming. But I have already told you that these are two vowels and coming together. When the vowel E is coming together A, we have to cancel this E and put an apostrophe. Jame. Okay, we have to cancel the E and add the noun, add the verb. Whichever verb, whatever it is, we have to cancel E when two vowels come together. Two vowels, if two vowels come together and then E, only E should be removed. No other vowel should be removed. The first E should be removed. This is only for E exception. Remember that no other vowels will be removed like this. Only E should be removed. So Jane, and we have to put this E here. First E. Then here Q-A-I-M and you have to add E-S. Next conjugated verb A-I-M you have to put, and what is the ending word? E. Here also the same. And then no, aim, O-N-S, aimo, A-I-M-E-Z, aime, A-I-M-E-N-T, but you pronounce it as aim, A-I-M-E-N-T. Aime, aime means to love. So Jame, how will you pronounce this? Jame, I love. You aim, you love. Il aime, he loves. Elle aime, she loves. Nous aimons, we love. Vous aimez, you love. Ils aiment, they love. Elles aiment, they love in the feminine plural. Clear? And here one more thing is here. We can use on. On means one. One, the same conjugation as il and l, on name. This means one should know, one should follow this. As a general, when we talk about us, one should follow these rules, one should do this, one should write like this. Then the word for one is on, and it is conjugated in the same way as il and l, on aim. Clear? Jaim, tuaim, lame, elaim, onaim, nuzaimo, wuzaime, ilzaim. I have told you when S is followed by a vowel, it should be pronounced ilzaim, elzaim. This is the verb aim. Last one more verb for today. Regade. Regade. R-E-G-A-R-D-E-R. E-R ending verb number 3. Regade. How will you conjugate regade? Je. Regard. G-A-R-D. Because remove E-R and add E. Tu. Again. R-E-G-A-R-D-E-S. Il. R-E-G-A-R-D-E-L. R-E-G-A-R-D-E. No. Rigado. R-E-G-A-R-D-O-N-S. Wo rigade. R-E-G-A-R-D-E-Z. Il regard. R-E-G-A-R-D-E-N-T. E-L-L-E-S. R-E-G-A-R-D-E-N-T. So what are the conjugated forms? Je regard means to watch. To watch something, to watch TV and all. The word is regarder. Je regarde, I watch. Tu regarde, you watch. Il regarde, he watches. Elle regarde, she watches. Here also, nous regardons, we watch. Vous regardez, you watch. Il regarde, they watch. Elle regarde, they watch. So which are the three verbs we learned today? First one is parle. Parle means parler, to speak. Aimer, to love. And regarder, to watch or to see. And how will you conjugate these ER ending verbs in French? First we have to remove ER from the root form of the verb, and then we have to add E, ES, EE, ONS, EZ, ENT according to the subject pronoun. So first you have to write the subject pronoun, then the root form of the verb, then you should remove ER and add this in this order. For all the ER ending verbs, for conjugating all the ER ending verbs, you have to do like this only. The simplest group of verbs, ER ending verbs. So many verbs are there, we will learn in later classes. Now only 3 verbs. Regarder, parler and aimer. Parler means to speak, aimer means to love, regarder means to watch. So I speak French. How will you say I speak French? Je parle français. Je parle français. I love French. I like French. J'aime français. I watch television. Je regarde la télé. Je regarde la télévision. Je regarde la télévision. How will you say? Je parle français means I speak French. How will you say he speaks French? Il parle français. Right? And we parle français. Nous parlons français. This is how we use it in a sentence. How will you say I watch television? I watch the television. Je regarde la télé, la télévision. Je regarde la télévision. I watch the television. Nous regardons la télévision. Television means television, TV. So these are the forms of verb. These are the ER ending verbs. Hope you understand how to conjugate this ER ending verbs. First remove ER and add E, ES, EE, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT according to the subject pronoun. That's for today. Thank you.